Okay, guys, I'm going to do the last two pages. If you're in regular math, not in honors, the last page doesn't mean anything to you. Okay, this one, we just got to get in the habit of combining like terms before we even start anything. So let's see. On the left side of this equation, we have 2x's and 5x's, so really we have 7x's. We have -7 and -8, so really we have -15 equals 4x's. In this scenario, it's a little awkward, but yeah, we're moving the 7x's to this side. So I'm color coding the teams. So we have -15 equals -3x. -4 versus -7 is -3x. Then we get rid of the -3, top versus bottom, a -3 to kill the -3. The negatives get rid of each other, and you have x equals 5. Okay, next one. Y is the same thing as 4x minus 3, so I'm going to take the y out and plug in 4x minus 3 equals 7x. I'm color coding the teams plus 3. All right, so let's go ahead and add 3 to, let's go ahead and minus 4x from this side and move it over with its blue partner. Let's go ahead and minus 3 from this side. So we have to minus 3. It looks like it gets rid of it, but it doesn't. So we have 3x's equals -6. So we top versus bottom the 3. Be careful with the negative. X equals 6 divided by 3 is 2, and nothing killed this negative, so -2. So I have to go up here and say 4 times -2 minus 3. -8 minus 3 is -11 is what y is equal to. All right, let's see. This one, y is the same thing as 5x minus 2. So over here, I'm going to take out the y, and I'm going to plug in 5x minus 2. Everything else is going to be written exactly the same. We have to do our Starbucks list first. -2 times, so we have -2 times 5x is -10x. -2 times -2, this is be careful, is +4. So 3x gets a pass to the second round equals -10. If I make my teams, letter team, number team. So what I really have on this side is -7x's. And what I really have on this side, if I minus 4, well, I could have done that in 2 steps, but what I really have on this side is, let's see, I probably should have done that differently. Let's do this. I did 2 steps in once. Let's take it 1 step at a time. +4 equals -10. Now we'll subtract the 4, -7x equals -14. Divide by -7. Then the negatives cancel out and x equals 2. All right, we go back to the top. We take our x, we multiply by 5, we minus 2. Y is 5 times 2 minus 2. Y is 10 minus 2. Y equals 8. So 2, 8. All right, over here, they're ready to go. The 5y's and -5y's cancel each other out. So we've got 3x's and 6x's is 9x's. These guys kill each other off, so we don't have to do anything. And -15 versus +105, the positives win by 90. I get rid of the 9, top versus bottom the 9, and x equals 10. Just like that, I'm done with it. But I have to figure out what y equals. I'm going to take either equation, but I'm going to take this one since there's no negatives in it and just work with it. 6x's plus 5y's equal 105. But now I know that x's are 10s. So 6 times 10 plus 5y's equal 105. 60 plus 5y's equal 105. I'm going to make my teams. There's a number team, letter team. So the guy that needs to move here is the 60. Let's move him. -60, -60. And we've got 5y's equal 45. Top versus bottom the 5. And y equals 9. So we've got 10, 9. All right, this guy, we're not ready to just do what we did in the last problem. We have to do something because 3's and 2's don't fight each other off and 3's and 1's don't fight each other off. But When I see 3's and 1's, I say if I make this whole guy bigger, if I multiply everything on this side by 3, I'm going to get to 9x's, 3y's, and 51. The problem is if I leave this positive, positives don't kill positives. So I need to make everything 3 times bigger, but I also need to switch their signs. Whatever they are, I'm going to flip them. So that means I'm going to multiply by -3. So 3 turns into 9, but now it turns into -9. 1 turns into 3, but now it's -3. 17 turns into 51, but now it's -51. If something was already negative, we would have turned it to positive. But here, they were all positive, so they all turned to negative. All right, now we're going to add up. 2x's and -9x's is -7x's. 3y's and -3y's, the y's are dead. 16 minus 51. Let's see, 16 minus 51 equals -35. We're going to divide by -7 to kill the -7, and x equals 5. Okay, now we're going to go back to my easiest equation. I think this is my easiest equation. 3x plus y equals 17. But now I know my x's are 5's. So 3 5's plus y equals 17. 15 plus y equals 17. I'm going to minus the 15. I'm not making the shapes anymore. Hopefully you recognize y. 17 minus 15 is 2. So y equals 2. 5, 2. Okay, let's see. Over here, simplify. We have to use some pink numbers. So let's get the pink back. Square root of 9 is a pink number times the square root of 5. There's the bell. You guys will be coming in any second. 3 times the square root of 5. You guys remember these. 200. I go through my pink numbers. 144 doesn't go in. 121 doesn't go in. 11 times 10 times 10 is 100. Oh, that goes in. Okay, square root of 100 times the square root of 2. The square root of 100 is just 10, so this is 10 times the square root of 2. And let's see, reduce this one. This is 24 with 1, 0, 0, so this would be 24 100ths. From the 24, the 2 isn't covered. From the 100, the 10 isn't covered, so this is really 22 90ths. They're both even, so we got to reduce it. When they're both even, we cut them both in half, and this is 11 45ths. All right, regular class. I'm going to stop the video here. Honors, I'll make you another video.